inquiries. People can walk into your office and make inquiry as regard to e-service point or ESRCN. You being a staff or a personnel of Lagos State, you should be well informed as to attend to any inquiries that comes to our office. So those are the benefit we can do or we can achieve under e-service point. Then advisory services also. If someone should come to you and say, I came to this environment newly, and I just want to know that it is essential that I have to pay tax. I've been listening to the jingle, I've been watching the television, and they say it's expected that it is mandatory now that everybody must pay tax in Lagos State. Please, how do I go about it? You do not need to refer that person to where? To tax officer. Then you can give little advice, you can give little advice as regard to where to go, understand? Before you just obey the person on where to go. Not that you just want the person back. Do you see tax office here? Why do you have to come to our office? Because of designated e-service assignee, the person must have seen. He believes that if he walks into that office, he will not be disappointed. Everything will get an information that will lead to where you can get the solution for the inquiries you're looking for. So those are the things we can achieve under EDS RCN e-service point. Then let's quickly look at the second, where we have connectivity infrastructures. Like I said, those, like I made mention earlier on, that we have services that can be rendered under this service point. Then how do we achieve those things? What are the things that need to be put in place for us to achieve those things? The first thing that needs to look at is area of coverage. Then unattended area. That is, area of coverage means how far have you been able to cover the location or locality within Lagos State as regard to this connectivity infrastructure. Then we have equipment deployed. So some of these service points, where we have a service point, equipment has been deployed. For example, laptop must have been deployed, or a desktop must have been deployed, a router must have been deployed, the modem and some other things, including signage, must have been deployed. The training of personnel and usage. Those who are to mount that this service point, we need to undergo a training, just like we have in a workshop here. Workshop is an annual event, but we believe if you have been assigned that responsibility to carry out that function, you need to go through a particular training. Then the training has regard to creation of BIG. But let me just put it to you, it is not only the agency that has been designated as a service point. We have banks also, all collecting banks in Lagos State are also designated as service point. Agency, the ministry, parastatals, and what have you, and some other department. Then the creation of BIG. Creation of BIG is done at the banks. If you want to do a transaction and you do not have any BIG, definitely they will ask you for information as regard to how to create a BIG for you, your name, your other information. Then also checking profile of payers. Like I said, you can also check the profile of the tax payer. The receipt validation. This is essential at our point here now. Let us assume that due to an error, we committed a traffic law. Understand? We run short of the law, and the law is, as Proton said, we need to do a payment. We have been fined, and we need to go and do the payment. Then the payment has been done, but at our end, we are the one that is supposed to give service to that receipt. Do you understand? They've done the payment, but you as an official, you are supposed to do service to that receipt. How do you confirm that whether that receipt is genuine or fake? How do you validate the receipt before you? Because if it is fake and you are giving service to that receipt, it will bounce back at you. Do you understand? Yeah. How do you validate? Under ESRCN, it is possible for us to validate if the receipt is fake or it is genuine. Amount being paid, where the money paid to, which bank, and who actually made that payment. That's how to validate. Under ESRCN service point, it is possible to validate. If you get that thing, that doesn't mean that you are not part of the project. Your own function might be to validate. When you confirm okay, the receipt has been validated, then release the bill or release this, release that, open the shop or open this and the rest. You understand now? Everything you are sure that before you do that, you have confirmed that that payment, person claimed to have paid, is already on your database. Then when you want to do your report, you can also make reference to that. You can count it as a bonus that that money is already on in the account. Then the next thing we need to look at is collection and submission of ETC form. That has been discussed earlier on. Then let's go to the next page, which is page 2. Benefits of our solution is integration, network scalability, durable and resilient, highly secure and available. We're talking about this, let me just take one out of this, is integration. If for now there is a new policy, if the SRCM is so robust that you can integrate it to any other level, if for now, because he now says he wants to capture everybody that's paying online. He wants to see their face. He wants you to monitor whoever is paying at the bank. He wants you to view their emotion, their picture and what have you. He wants you to capture whatever thing that's been done at the banks or at any revenue center. Do you understand? Then EBSRCM is so robust that it can also integrate to that level. You understand? Any new policy that government say you want us to do, definitely EBSRCM will accommodate just a thing. That is what is meant by is integration. Any policy, any new policy, any new thing that is coming, definitely it will fall into EBSRCM. Then we're talking about video surveillance, voice recognition, video conferences, and the rest. When we're talking about video surveillance, if you look around us in Lagos State now, you'll be seeing some digital camera being mounted around Lagos for now. This is one of the benefits to ensure that whatever thing that takes place within your environment will be recorded. What are the days when a crime will be committed and we spend years investigating such crime, and at the end of the day we may not get to the deal of that crime. But this time around, Lagos State is so efficient as trying to ensure that anything that's being done, or they can also use that avenue to monitor traffic. You know, if you look at a particular radio station that is essentially meant for traffic, understand? So these days they rely more on calling, but if you get to a point when they will also view locations where we have heavy traffic, where we have light traffic, you do not need to even make call. When you just view those things, maybe to get to that level where you can tune into a particular web or a particular station where you can able to see, okay, if I want to take the Ikorodu is so heavy this period, what about Tommy line? It's light this period. You can be able to risk make your own decision without going out of your house before you say, okay, this is where I want to take. Do you understand? That is the essence of video surveillance. It will enable you to view whatever thing that is happening within your environment and assist you to determine your decision. So one of the benefits that EBSRCM actually is working towards to achieve in future. Then the project update, that is the base station. Like I have been saying before, if you want to achieve all this thing, you will see we have different phones, different lines. Our line does not just work just like that, or just begin to work. Some certain things must have been put in place to ensure that those lines are effective, those line reports are effective, and we are able to communicate with one another without any problem. Some infrastructure needs to be put in place. One of them is a base station. What is meant by a base station? A base station is just an area where has been designated for equipment for connectivity alone. Do you understand? Let me just take our mind to let me just do an illustration to get what we are talking about now. Let's say this internet provider, let's just say this monitor is internet provider. Do you understand? It's so big. You understand? And this person has promised that he is ready to give service to whoever that needs these services. Do you understand? Then it now depends on who approach this provider. What kind of service do you want? And it depends on how much you can afford. Do you want service that will cover maybe how many meters away from where it's located? Do you understand? Let's just say this is MTN, for example. MTN is based in, let's say it's based in Abuja. And we have users that want to use MTN line in Lagos here. MTN cannot be in Abuja and operate in Lagos effectively. Some services need to be put in place to replicate MTN performance here. Do you understand? Where MTN is based is called a base station. Do you understand? Then anywhere he wants to serve here in Lagos, understand, will also become a base station for Lagos State. Do you understand that now? So if he now decides to stay, to locate at a particular place, let me just say island. You understand? It will serve people within the island. What about those outside island and they say they still need the same service? Let's say those in Ekpe, Korodu, Badagry, they say they still want to be part of the service. Definitely they need to do other things which has been done at island to Ikorodu, Ekpe and Badagry. What that thing that has been put in island also will be placed in those areas, and it's also a base station at that point. Do you understand? Because of essence of to ensure that you have access to that service. You know, we started from Abuja to Lagos, then now in Lagos to other parts of Lagos. That is the essence of base station. Those base stations will now serve that locality. Do you understand? If you are far away from that base station, you see that the performance of that line will not be effective or breaking transmission and what have you. Do you understand? That is the essence of the base station. In case we hear that language, base station, it's just an area where a particular connectivity project is being concentrated. Do you understand? Then we're not talking about like we have in Lagos State. We have different base stations. We have it in Alausa, then Ikorodu, Ekpe, Ijora, ISSL, Obalende, Mushin. These are areas where we have EBS-RCM base stations to ensure that wherever you are in Lagos State, you have access to our resources. Do you understand? APC cannot be everywhere, but we have a representative everywhere, and our representative are our base stations to ensure that you have access to e-service. Like I said earlier, e-service, online service. Do you understand that now? That is the essence of base station. So we have base station all around Lagos State, as indicated on our manual. Then we are not looking at mass. We are looking at mass. Have you ever seen mass before? Mass. How does it look like, sir? Yeah, mass. Solid store. Okay. Let me just say a long tall pole that we see around. It's not maybe MTN, Globalcom, Airtel and the rest as those things. So also EBS-RCM, under EBS-RCM project, we also have our own mass. It is not all mass that you see that belongs to MTN and what have you. Some of them also belongs to APC or under EBS-RCM project. Do you understand? So for us to ensure that those connectivity extends to our areas, we need to have that tall poles there. And some of them are about 180 feet, 150 feet, 120 feet, depends on that location. The essence of that tall distance is to talk to where we have the base station. It has to be as tall as other buildings within that area, so that to be able to talk to where we have the base station, to big signal from that base station and transmit to that locality. That is the essence of that mass we are seeing around. That's why I said MTN cannot be everywhere, but they are everywhere. You understand? They started from Abuja, now